Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show only current user orders in WooCommerce admin order list in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Let's suppose we have custom role Shah who can access WordPress dashboard and see all WooCommerce order. So we are going to set limit so that user only see their orders. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see user role Shah, so you can add your user role. So this user role only see their orders in admin order list only. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.